Hello world. So in this quick video, I'm gonna show you how you can easily see your Instagram password if you forget it. If you find this video helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Saying that, let's start today's video. At first, open your settings, scroll down until you see these password options. So just click on these passwords, and after that, in your search bar, type Instagram, and it will show you some accounts that you have already activated before. So let's say I want to see the password of this first account. So here you can see username and password. So when you tap on this password, then the system will automatically show your password. So from here you can easily see the password of your Instagram. So now let me show you some other ways as well, some easy other way from where you can also see the Instagram password. Okay, just for extra information, so you can just go to your open your browser. I open this Safari here. So you see in the search bar, you just go for Instagram. Okay, so when you type Instagram in the browser, so this here opens. So what you can do is you can just use your face ID here. Just don't type anything here, just use your face ID, and it will automatic put your username and password here. And the last easy way also I want to show you to see the password of your Instagram is just open your Gmail. And when you open your Gmail, go to your profile in the right corner of your screen and just click on this manage your Google account. When you go there, in your search bar here, type password manager. Okay, so when you tap on that password manager, then it will take little time and it will automatically show all the application that you have connected with Google. So from here also you can see your Instagram password. So my friend, that's it. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, and I will be back with another problem solving videos like this. Thanks for watching.